really strong connection.
Honey, okay, he completely like loses it. Every time he gets angry, he's destroyed your property.
He has trouble controlling his emotions.
Yeah, he gets angry every time you leave the house.
He really likes me being around him.
And he's gotten physical with you. That's not okay.
Look, it's fine. He doesn't mean it, really. His parents were aggressive, too, and it's really hard for him.
That's not a good excuse.
It's fine. I just have to be more careful.
Look, I am your friend, and I want what's best for you, but I think at this point it's clear you can't handle owning a tiger.
Oh, no.
What the fuck? Tiger? What the fuck?
Did you break it?
He said he'd wait in the car.
There's a fucking tiger! No! What the fuck?
Marissa, what the fuck?
What the
So, I guess this means you're still not comfortable being in the wedding.